Your Dyson Zone Absolute Plus headphones won't turn on, won't charge, or the air purifier isn't working. Before you assume something is broken, there's a good chance it's a simple issue that you can fix at home. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common Dyson Zone problems and the exact steps to fix them. If this guide helps you, please like the video, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech fixes. Let's start with the most common issue. First, check if the headphones are turning on. If nothing happens when you press the power button, the battery may be completely drained. Connect the headphones to a reliable USB-C charger and leave them charging for at least 30 minutes. Use a good cable and adapter because weak chargers can prevent the device from powering up properly. Watch for the LED indicator or any sound prompt that confirms the device is receiving power. If the Dyson Zone still won't turn on, check the filters inside the ear cups. These headphones may refuse to power on if the filters are missing or not installed correctly. Open the ear cup covers, remove both filters, and reinstall them carefully. Make sure they sit firmly before closing the covers and trying to power the headphones on again. Now let's check charging issues. If the battery percentage isn't increasing, inspect the charging cable and adapter. Even if the cable looks fine, it might not deliver stable power. Try a different USB-C cable and another wall adapter. Also inspect the charging port on the headphones. Dust or lint inside the port can block the connection, so gently clean it with compressed air or a soft brush. Next, let's look at the air purifier. If you don't feel any airflow from the visor, open the My Dyson app and check the airflow settings. The purifier may simply be set to a low level or turned off. Also confirm the visor is attached correctly. The magnetic visor should align with the airflow vents. If it's slightly misaligned, airflow may feel weak. You should also inspect the filters. Over time, they can become clogged with dust and pollutants, which reduces airflow. Open the ear cups and check them. If the app shows a filter replacement warning or the filters look dirty, replace them with new ones. Dyson Zone filters are not washable, so replacement is the correct fix. If the headphones turn on but won't connect to your phone or laptop, the issue is usually Bluetooth pairing. Turn Bluetooth off and back on again on your phone, then put the headphones into pairing mode and reconnect. If they still don't appear, restart both the headphones and your phone and try again. At this point, you've checked the most common problems, including power issues, charging problems, filter installation, airflow settings, and Bluetooth pairing. In most cases, one of these steps fixes the Dyson Zone quickly. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let me know in the comments which problem you had. Thanks for watching.